Welcome back to eSIM Studios. A little behind the scenes video today. I am going to upgrade an important part of my home office or my home studio. Here's my setup, right? So I have dual monitors, 4K 27-inch on the left, 1080p 24-inch on the right. Now there's the camera that everybody usually looks at me from, right? There's the overhead camera, which helps out with case reviews and overhead light. And then we have the back paneling, right? Well, I ordered some more of the paneling to finish out the right side and the left side of this wall. Got lighting, but the main upgrade, take a look over here real quick. That's what it looks like from the desk. And then up there we got the Pixel 8 Pro as the main webcam, and then S22 as the overhead cam. But we are doing a major upgrade, and that is the... I need to use two hands, hang on. We are upgrading, so we are going to remove those two monitors and install a ultra-wide 4K Samsung monitor. It's a 34-inch Samsung monitor, USB Type-C input, perfect for decks. You can run two, basically it takes the place of those two monitors. You can run two windows, actually up to three windows at a time here. So it's great for multitasking. It's HDR compliant. High dynamic range, perfect for video editing. Get that full color gamut. Got 100 hertz refresh rate, which is good for gaming, although I don't game, but video editing as well. And then you have AMD FreeSync, which is good for graphics, right? But again, no gaming, but perfect for video editing. So I have my Minis Forum PC right there with a what does it have? An AMD processor, I think 7840 HS CPU. So very, very strong CPU, built-in graphics. So this is going to be perfect. So let me pause the video and we will get the unboxing started on this ultra-wide. And you can follow along with me with the setup. All right, so our first task we're going to tackle, I'm going to remove these mounts. I'm going to use this one for the new Samsung monitor, but I'm going to remove these, put these back in the box. Now, I'm going to speed this up so it won't be so, I'm not trying to make this an hour-long video, you know. So, ready, set, go. Damn, it's a nice picture. Golly. It needs to go higher though. Okay, so I just need to hook these cables up to the back of the PC and then run one cable. This works on wireless. I can do wireless webcam, but it's always better to have wired, better connection. So we'll wire this camera, and then I'll take the second wire and run it up here to the overhead camera. Got the lights. Check this out. The lights are posted facing the, so it looks cool like this. Watch. I can do that's all controlled through the app. I can do everything through the app. And then I can turn this overhead light on with this. Change the mode. Turn it down just a bit. And this is what it looks like behind the scenes. Overhead cam. Webcam. Here's what it looks like with the overhead camera. And then here's what it looks like from that camera. I don't know how I got here. I had to go into my PC settings, my computer settings, and play with these as you saw. I don't know how I got to this point, but I'm going to stop messing with it because this is what I originally wanted. I wanted a full screen here, full screen there, and I guess we're good. I have another monitor here, a portable monitor. Look, you know what I'm saying? Very slim, almost like a freaking tablet, but it's got HDMI inputs, mini HDMI, and it's got USB Type-C. So if I want to plug in Type-C to Type-C and run it off of there, I certainly can. In fact, you want to try it out? It's not part of this review, but screw it, man. Let's do it. Uh-oh, what's it doing to the TV? Oh, hell yeah. Damn, this is so sweet. Oh, God, this is going to be badass. Okay, so one cable not only powers this portable monitor, but gives it a video feed, right? And check this out. Don't mean to put you between my legs, but so this mini forum PC is so badass. It's got Thunderbolt. It's got USB Type-C on the right and USB Type-C on the left. They are both power delivery, so you can charge your phone or anything. It delivers power to whatever you plug in. The plug on the left, the Type-C on the left, which I'm plugged into right now, is a Thunderbolt 4. That's correct. Thunderbolt 4 on an AMD PC. This is a Minisforum PC, mini PC, but it's more powerful than 99% of personal computers. It's got a GPU, dedicated GPU. It's got a Ryzen 7 7000 series, so it's very fast. Now look at what I got here. See how that's hanging out from the side? Well, if you have these, you get from Amazon extenders, right? So you don't have a cable hanging out from the side. So I can plug this in this way, and it'll run to the back, or I can plug this in like that and run it out through the back. So let's give it a try. Boom. Hell yes. You see, the cable doesn't stick out from the side, right? You see how it runs from the back and then down to the PC? So, now, since I have three, wait, how do I get to this other monitor here? Because I want to take this mouse and scroll it over here. How would I do that? Let's see. I guess I have to go to settings again. Oh shit. Okay, so let's see. So very, very, very cool. This should work out perfect then. Just takes a few minutes to go through the settings, but should work just fine. So that'll wrap it up. It took way longer than I expected, but it is what it is. So eSIM Studios, new monitor, and I guess desk setup review and Samsung monitor review. S34C50 34-inch ultra-wide QHD monitor. That'll do it. Peace out. See you tomorrow with a new setup. Peace.